Hi there, welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of my chord melody arrangement of Dona Nobis Pacem. It's traditionally been attributed to Mozart, but really some research sort of contradicts that. So most publishers, especially in hymnals, describe it as traditional. What we're going to do in this video is first of all talk a little bit about what chord melody is. Then I'll demonstrate the song on GCEA. Then I'll demonstrate it on DGBE baritone ukulele. Then for fun, I'll probably put in a montage where I make a round out of it with all three parts just with the existing video. And then I'll do a tutorial for how to play the song on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. And then I'll do a tutorial of how to play the song on baritone DGBE ukulele. If you want to use this song, again, it's for free at my channel, ukestuff.info. You can download it there. And if you have friends that play chord melody, you could play your own round with it as well. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. Number one, you can like the video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. Incidentally, I also have some chord melody arrangement books of hymns and carols available for purchase at the Buy Me a Coffee page, as well as on the Apple Bookstore, on the Amazon Kindle store, as well as Amazon from print directly. All right, let's talk about what chord melody is. Chord melody is a next step in your playing from just strumming, moving to letting the ukulele be a solo instrument. And with your thumb, generally, you're playing chords or parts of chords that end up creating both the chord and the melody. In my arrangement, the melody stays basically on the top two strings, although sometimes the third string, which allows them to be used for either high G, low G, high D, low D. It's really up to you. Now on tablature, there are four lines. The bottom line is the string closest to you, and the top line is the string farthest away from you, as if you're holding your instrument like that. All right, let's begin with a demonstration on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. right, let's look at a tutorial on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Really, you have three chords here. You've got the F chord, C chord, and a B flat chord. I'll just talk about the B flat chord right now. If that chord drives you crazy, first of all, make sure that your ukulele is set up correctly, that the strings are not too high over the frets. If you don't know how to adjust that, you can watch videos or you can have a luthier do it. It is worth having it done so that your playability is good. Now, second, with a B flat chord, take your first finger, pull against the fretboard, hold your ukulele securely, pull against the fretboard, and get leverage there. That's how you do it. You're not pinching. And then add two fingers. So if you can pull against the fretboard to get your B flat, rather than thinking about crushing the note, that's going to be so much more beneficial for your own playing, comfort, and enjoyment with the ukulele. So let's begin. You need an F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Third string open, first string open. Then the C chord, you're going to put your ring finger on the second string, third fret. Third string open, first string, first fret. F chord, second string, third fret, second string, first fret. F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Second line. You're going to make the G shape at the 5th fret. Now, you could make a bar chord and the F shape there, but you're covering the same notes. So you're making the G shape at the 5th fret. Then first string, 3rd fret, first string, 1st fret, first string open, second string, 3rd fret, F chord with the pinky and the first string, 3rd fret. First string, 1st fret, first string open, open chord, all 4 strings, second string, 3rd fret, second string, 1st fret, second string open, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Then we keep going. This is now line 3. F chord with the pinky on the first string. C chord, back to the F chord, first string, 1st fret, first string open, F chord, ring finger on the second string, 3rd fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2, up to the 5th fret again, making that G shape at the 5th fret. 2 of those. F chord with the pinky, C chord, first string, 1st fret, first string open, second string, 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Now we are on the 5th line of the song. Strings 4, 3, and 2, the F chord. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, 3rd fret, first string open, first string, 1st fret, F chord with the pinky. 3rd string open. Bottom line of the song, there's your B flat. 2 of them. F chord, 2 of them. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, 3rd fret. First string, 3rd fret. Second string open. F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's Dona, Nobis, Pacem on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Now let's look at baritone ukulele. On baritone, you're going to need 3 chords. You're going to need the C chord, the G chord, and the F chord. Now, if the F chord gives you problems, let's talk about it. First of all, make sure that your action is good. You don't want the strings too high over the frets, or that can make it hard to play. You can watch videos on how to adjust the action on your own, or you can take your instrument to a luthier. It is money well spent for the playing experience. Now, if you are struggling with the F chord, it's a partial bar chord. The philosophy works the same for a full bar chord. You take your finger, put it across strings 1 and 2, right above the metal fret, and you pull against the fretboard. It is not a pinch, it's a pull. So you hold your ukulele securely and you pull against the fretboard. That will give you most of the sound you need there. Then you add your thumb for some support, and then you add the other 2 fingers, and that's the F chord. All right, let's walk through the song. You start with a C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 3rd string, 1st string. You're all in the right shape for that. Then a G chord where you're going to put your ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. 3rd string, 1st string, 1st fret. C chord, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 1st fret. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Then we're going to the second line and play an F chord at the 5th fret. You're going to make the D shape at the 5th fret. Now, don't get confused here but you could do a bar chord there, but there's no point in it. You're playing strings 3, 2, and 1 with the D shape at the 5th fret, then first string 3rd fret, first string 1st fret, first string open, second string 3rd fret, then a C chord with the pinky on the first string 3rd fret. Down to the first string 1st fret, first string open, then an open chord, second string 3rd fret, second string 1st fret, second string open, then a C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. We are now in the 3rd line of the song. You're going to play the C chord and put your pinky on the first string, 3rd fret. G chord, back to that C chord with the pinky. First string 1st fret, first string open, normal C chord, then a G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2 where you're putting your ring finger on the second string 3rd fret. We are now on the 4th line of the song, back up to that F position, which is a D shape at the 5th fret, strings 3, 2, 1. C chord with a pinky. G chord, first string 1st fret, first string open, second string 3rd fret, C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. We are now on the 5th line of the song, C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string 3rd fret, first string open, first string 1st fret. C chord with the pinky on the first string 3rd fret. 3rd string. F chords. C chords. Then a G7 chord. You're really going to play a G chord here, so strings 4, 3, and 2 to open. Second string 3rd fret, first string 3rd fret, second string open, and a C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's Dona, Nobis, Pacem on baritone DGBE ukulele. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of Dona, Nobis, Pacem as arranged by me for ukulele. Again, you can find the downloads at ukestuff.info. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.